In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Hero Page in Kajabi. We'll be building this inside Kajabi's landing page builder. And the goal is to create a strong hero section that immediately grabs attention when someone lands on your page. A hero page, or more specifically a hero section, is the top area people see first, so it's where your headline, supporting text, and call to action should work together clearly and effectively. Start from your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're there, go to the website area in the left-hand menu. Inside website, click on landing pages. This is where Kajabi stores and manages the standalone pages you create for promotions, offers, lead generation, and similar goals. Next, click New Landing Page. Kajabi will then ask you to choose how you want to begin. You can select a template if you want a faster starting point with a pre-built design, or choose blank if you'd rather build from scratch and keep things fully customized. Either option works for creating a hero page, so choose the one that fits your workflow best. After selecting your template or blank layout, click Get Started. Kajabi will prompt you to enter a page title. Type in your page title here. This title helps you identify the page in your dashboard, so make it something simple and recognizable. Once that's done, click Create. Now you'll be taken into the page editor, which is where the actual design work happens. In the editor, look to the left sidebar and click Add Section. This lets you insert new content blocks into your page. Scroll down until you find the Hero category, then click on Hero. After that, click Add to place the Hero section onto your page. Once the section has been added, click on the newly added Hero section in the sidebar to open its editing panel. This is where you'll control the content and visual styling of that section. First, customize the content and copy. Update the headline and subtext either by clicking directly into the live preview or by editing the fields in the left sidebar. Your headline should communicate the main hook right away, and the subtext should support it by explaining the core benefit a little more clearly. Keep this part concise and easy to scan since it's the first impression visitors will get. If your message is too long or too vague, the hero section loses impact. Next, click on Call to Action. Here you'll update the button text and choose where that button leads. You might link it to an offer, a checkout page, or a form, depending on what the page is meant to do. Make sure the button text is action-oriented and clear so visitors know exactly what happens when they click. After that, move into the design settings to style the section. Under the background settings, choose whether you want a solid color, a gradient, or a background image. This choice will shape the look and feel of the page, so it's worth picking something that matches your brand and supports readability. If you use a background image, turn on the image overlay. This is especially helpful when your text sits on top of the image because the overlay can darken or soften the background and make the text much easier to read. You can adjust the overlay's opacity and color until the section feels balanced and polished. Once the desktop version looks good, optimize the section for mobile. Click the mobile icon at the bottom of the screen or switch to the mobile view inside the editor. Review how the headline, button, and spacing appear on a phone-sized layout. Then adjust the text alignment, button placement, and section padding as needed. In some cases, reducing mobile padding can remove extra blank space and make the section feel tighter and more professional on smaller screens. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. That will preserve your changes and finalize your hero page section in Kajabi. That's it. You've now created a hero page in Kajabi by setting up a landing page, adding a hero section, customizing the message, styling the background, and making sure it also looks good on mobile.